I would like to call Nafisa Khatun of class 6. Her subject is hijab. Please come on the stage. Nafisa Khatun.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minas shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul lil mu'minina yaghuzzu min absarihim wa yahfazu furujahum zalika azqa lahum. Innallaha khabirum bima yasna'un. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Respected teachers, elders, dear friends, and my brothers and sisters, and honorable president and chief guest, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my topic is Islamic hijab. Islam uplifted the status of women, granted them their just right 1400 years ago. Islam accepts women to maintain their status. Hijab for men. People usually only discuss for hijab in context of women. However, in the glorious Quran, Allah first maintained hijab for men, for hijab for women. The Quran mentors in Surah Nur say to the believing men that they should lower their gaze and guard their modesty. That will make forgotten purity for them, and Allah is will acquainted with all that they do. The moment a man looks like a woman, and if any virgin or unseen thought comes to his mind, he should lower his gaze. Hijab for women. The next verse of Surah Nur said, and say to the believing women that they should lower their gaze and guard their modesty, that they should not display their beauty and ornaments what must ordinarily appear thereof, that they should draw veils over their bosoms and not display beauty except their husbands, their fathers, their husbands, their fathers, their sons. According to Quran, there are sunnah observing hijab. The first creation is the extent of body that should be covered. This is the difference for man and woman. The extent of covering obligatory on the male is to cover body at last from navel to the knees. For women, the extent of covering obligatory on the male is to cover complete body, the face and hands. If you wish to, that this can cover even this part of the body. Some features of Islam, all remaining of the face and hands. The clothes one should not lose for man and woman. The clothes one should be loose, than as per such a man. The clothes one should not be loose, that the upside seat. The clothes one should not be loose, that the upside seat of unbelievers. The unbelievers of especially identities of the unbelievers religion. Complete hijab. A person only fulfilling hijab for eyes, for heart. At last I pray to Allah to give us strength. Ameen. Wa akhir dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Many thanks to Nafisa Khatun for her splendid speech. এবারে আমি